adventure with me, Lily Pad. And well, today we're going to be going swimming in a waterfall. We're nearly there, 8 minutes to go, and I guess we'll catch up then when we get there. So we have made it. We are just heading down to the waterfall now. It is pretty cold, but it's okay. So we're hoping we're going to be able to swim, but we're gonna. Today is an extra special vlog because I'm doing a collaboration with Daddy, and hey, make sure you go and check his channel out. It's the Socially Anxious Adventurer interiors. Yeah. So we're just gonna be walking down to the waterfall today, and we'll catch up when we get there. So, in case you were wondering, I will put the route in the description. So make sure to definitely check out this walk because it's really fun and it's really good because you're not just like parking up and then straight at the waterfall. It's like a couple of mile walk and that's it. But that's good for you. And that's good because you don't want to just be like there straight away. You want to have actually fun. Hopefully we're nearly there. When I think we're nearly there, we must be, because we've been walking for a long time. We're just in this little widow kind of thing. So I'll show you it just so it makes sense more. So basically, that is it. Surrounded by green land and trees. And then these stones. So we've just walked down that path there, and we just all of a sudden heard this noise, and there it is. So let's go and swim. Time for a swim. Oh my god, that worked. Right, okay. So, I'm sorry that we didn't get any footage of us going in. Might have got a little bit. But we had to quickly jump out of the water because there was literally like 1 trillion midges biting were every second. Like, we're literally, like, oh, it was horrible. So sorry we didn't get to swim, but maybe we'll come back maybe in the spring or winter when it's a little bit colder, so there won't be much midges. But this has been a great walk. But wow, that was a lot of midges. Like a trillion midges. So basically we're just heading back to the van now. So sadly this is the end. Make sure to check this route out. I'll put it in the description down below. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure to like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.